Hello, my dear friends. HOF Pharmaceuticals is conducting walk-in interview on 21st August for Quality Control Manager, Officer, Executive, Regulatory Affairs Officer, and Executive. So, welcome to our YouTube channel, my dear friends. So, in this video, we're going to see complete details regarding various pharmaceutical walk-in interviews. So, let us start with HOF Pharmaceuticals. So, coming to the qualification required, my dear friends, this company is currently looking for following qualifications, which is B.pharm M.pharm B.sc and M.sc. Friends, if you are visiting our channel for the very first time, do subscribe to our channel for getting regular job updates. And coming to the experience required for this job opening, it is minimum 3 years of experience is required in RA department of pharmaceutical formulation company. Remember that. And salary, there is no constraint for the right candidates. And coming to the job location is Gujarat. Friends, this is a walk-in interview on 21st August Sunday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. The venue is HYF Pharmaceuticals Limited, survey number 211/4/5/6, Pipan Village, Sanand Bawla Road, Sanand, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So these are the complete details regarding this walk-in interview. So let us move on to the next walk-in interview details. Friends, the next company is Evertogen Life Sciences. Friends, this company is also conducting walk-in interview on 21st to 25th August for quality control, quality assurance, executive team leader, and coming for the departments. So coming to the post name, which is executive ATL or team leader. And the coming to the qualifications required for this walk-in interview. So you must be a candidate of M.sc B.pharm, or you must have your M.pharm in any specialization, and the minimum experience is minimum 2 years of experience in the above field. And the contact numbers are given here, so you can contact them for further details regarding the job. So only experienced candidates need to apply for this job opening, so it is clearly stated. And coming to the job location, which is Jatcharla, the walk-in date is 21st to 25th August, so you can attend any of the dates between 21 and 25, and the timings are 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Friends, the venue is Evertogen Life Sciences Limited, GV Chamber 72C8, C8/2 IE, Sanat Nagar, Hyderabad. Friends, coming to the next company, which is PSI Life Sciences Limited. My dear friends, this company is conducting walk-in interview on the same date, 21st August, for their API production. And coming to the qualification, any graduate or M.pharm in any specialization, any postgraduate or M.sc B.sc B.tech or Diploma candidates with minimum 1 year of experience in US FDA approved API plants. So it is clearly stated you must have minimum 1 year of experience in US FDA approved API plants. So let us move on to the interview venue details. Friends, coming to the interview venue, the venue is Sai Life Sciences Limited, SLN Terminus, 4th floor, Gachibowli, Miapur Road, Hyderabad. And the timings are 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. The location is Hyderabad or Secunderabad or Bidar or Karnataka. So the above are the job locations, and the walk-in date is 21st August Sunday. Friends, coming to the next company, which is Onerio Chemicals Pharmaceuticals, they are conducting walk-in from 19th to 21st August for their ADL or R&D production department. So let us see the complete details in this video. So coming to the vacancy detail, they are looking for officer or senior officer or shift in charge, and the department is ADL or research and development or production department, and you must have qualification in the as M.sc, B.sc or B or B.tech with minimum 1 year of experience, maximum 8 years of experience, and the job location is Vadodara. Timings are 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. The venue is Onerio Chemicals Private Limited, survey number 475, Baroda, Gujarat, India. So these are the complete details regarding the walk-in interview. So coming to the next company, which is Arazan Life Sciences, they are also conducting walk-in on 21st August for research associate and associate scientist. The qualification is postgraduate M.sc medicinal chemistry or organic chemistry. Experience required is 3.6 years of experience in synthesis, R&D, CRO only. So let us move on to the vacancy, location. The location is Hyderabad or Bangalore. The venue is Arazan Life Sciences, survey number 125 and 126, IDA, Malapur, Hyderabad. So coming to the walk-in interview details from the Alembic Pharmaceutical, this company is conducting walk-in on 21st August for multiple positions. So let us see the complete details. So coming to the post name, technician, manual technician, DSC executive, production executive, and mechanical executive, electrical and project electrical. Such the qualification is B in mechanical, B.tech chemical or diploma in chemical or mechanical. The minimum experience required is 3 years and maximum 8 years of experience in the relevant field. So you can take a screenshot of this. There are many vacancies. And coming to the job location, which is Vadodara, and the walk-in date is 21st August. Timings are 9:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. The venue is Alembic Pharmaceuticals, Sanskriti Hall, Alembic Colony, opposite General Hospital, Alembic Road, Vadodara, Gujarat. Friends, coming to the walk-in interview details from Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, they are conducting walk-in on 21st August for B.sc B.pharm M.sc for quality assurance. So let us see the complete details. So coming to the vacancy detail, the post name is quality control. The qualification is B.sc B.pharm or M.sc. The experience required is 2 to 6 years of experience. Only experienced candidates may come for the interview. So if you are interested, you can share your CVs to the following mail ID. So let us see the some more details regarding this vacancy. The job location is VIZAG, and the timings are 9 a.m. to 17 p.m. The venue is Western Ramchandra Hotel, 8836 GNT Road, Medical Center, Gajwaka, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Friends, these are some instructions for attending the interview. Please read them carefully. And thank you for watching, my dear friends. I hope you like the information. For regular job updates, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also please hit the like button so that YouTube can recommend our videos to others.